In this video, we'll show you how to check battery or CPU temperature of your Lenovo laptop. So if you just want to check the battery temperature, you can open this Lenovo Vantage app. It comes pre-installed on all Lenovo computers. If you can't find it, you can also download it from the Microsoft Store. Once you are here, click on this menu icon here and then go to this device setting tab. Now in the device settings, you will need to go to this power tab, and here you should see your battery's current temperature in both Celsius and Fahrenheit. Now if you want to check the CPU temperature, you can use the link in the description to head to this Core Temp website. Now download this particular tool. It's a free tool that you can use to check the CPU temperature easily. Once you have downloaded this tool, simply open it and then follow the on-screen prompts to install the tool. Once you have installed the tool, simply open it. Now here you should see the CPU temperature of each of your cores. So this right here shows the current temperature. This right here shows the minimum and maximum temperature since the app started, and this here shows the average temperature. So you can check the load here as well. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.